Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration and more things, and beautiful wall decoration, roof decoration. So if you like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, families and all. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So I hope all are you doing good. So let's start the video. So you can see this picture, you can see the up roof, you can see very beautiful decoration they did for this one. You can see the up roof and the roof also up. One roof is there, they put it the lights there, looking very beautiful, very attractive, very nice. You can see this one also very nice. You can see the lights from the walls, you can see the light, the down, you can see the lights and the very beautiful lights, but the construction work is remaining, and you can see very beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. Up you can see the lights and all, looking very attractive, very beautiful, and looking very good also, very nice. You can see the decoration is very beautiful decoration. And you can see this one also the fan and the decoration they did up of the roof. The lines you can see very beautiful lines they did, looking very attractive, very beautiful. I like this one. So you can see another picture. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights and the lamps looking very beautiful, attractive, yellow color and blue color, looking very good. And you can see this one also the second and the first floor pictures. You can see looking very beautiful, blue color and blue color, very beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up design looking very good, beautiful and very nice. It is looking. You can see the another this one also very beautiful. The lights you can see looking very good and beautiful. The colors is very beautiful. I like this one. You can see this one also very the lights you can see, and the up lights you can see, down lights. It is looking very attractive, very good, very nice. It is VIP room. I like this one also. And you can see this one also the bed you can see, and the up lights you can see. And you can see this one also very beautiful, the up lights and the sides lights looking very beautiful and attractive. It is looking very good also. And you can see this one also the lights, it is like a rocket going shoo shoo. It is very beautiful. I like this one, very beautiful room decor. The VIP also good also. And the next picture which I like, the ever picture I like from this all, you can see this one. It is like the VIP's room. It is very beautiful, very attractive. You can see the lights, the side lights and the lamps. You can see the bulbs. You can see looking very good. And you can see this one also very good, looking good in goods. And you can see the arrows. It's like a speeder. You can go so like this, very beautiful. So looking very good, very attractive, very beautiful. So you can see this one also the lights. It is there and it's looking very beautiful. So if you guys like this video, so please guys just don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. I hope all are you doing good. So I love you all and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.